Niggas is scared, so understand that when I cock, you niggas is feared. Go ahead and pray to the Lord. Think if I won't spray that thing, I won't spray to your daughter. Maybe your mother, maybe your sister, maybe your brother. Maybe all you niggas is rookies. I'm a veteran, and I'm about to do my thing. I see a lot of niggas hating, cause I'm getting a scream. I'm like, this shit stacked up, my paper backed up. And that's what the kid did, was getting backed up. So I had to rack up, and maybe stack up to the next level. You niggas ain't ready for that bezel. Yeah, it's kinda icy. I know you niggas don't like me, but for sure this nigga icy. I swear you niggas don't like me. It's J-Rob, but for real, you niggas is mad cause I'm kinda close to a deal. I'm like, you niggas gotta get for real. If you thinking you fucking with me, you fucking with the real. Listen, nigga, I done did this shit, done it, walked it, and ran this strip. I'm like, you niggas is mad cause I done ran with your bitch. Well, after that, I done made the whole ran with the bricks. I'm like, you can stash this thing in your crib, and if the D's hit the door, then I'm out in a thing, roaming on niggas, yeah, roaming on niggas. I get the gun, pop that, toolie on niggas, Go ahead and make a move and think I ain't real. I beat a nigga dead to the frame, to the steel. It's J-Rob, yo, the boy be for real. Yo, I roll another Dutch just to know that it's trills. Like Bun B, but nah, you honey, wanna get close to me and suck on my balls, B? I'm like, hold up, you niggas, y'all know me. I've been ready for this shit, for sure, like Kobe. Go ahead and score 81 with no ring, but I'll score 100 points, and I'm coming with that thing. So if you got that gold on, running now, cause if a nigga know, J-Rob about to control the grounds. I'm like, you niggas won't wait, get it now, cause right now it's popping, you niggas ain't holding it down.